ESB API Manager provides robust security and control features to enhance API security and protect against unauthorized access or misuse. Here are some ways it can help. 1. Authentication and authorization. ESB API Manager facilitates authentication and authorization mechanisms to ensure that only authorized users or applications can access the APIs. It supports various authentication methods such as API keys, OAuth, or JWT. You can configure authentication providers, define user roles, and enforce fine-grained access control policies to restrict API access based on user permissions. 2. Security policies and threat protection. ESB API Manager allows you to define and enforce security policies to protect against common threats and vulnerabilities. It includes features like rate limiting, IP whitelisting, and request validation to prevent abuse, protect against brute force attacks, and filter out malicious requests. You can configure policies to handle cross-site scripting, XSS, SQL injection, or other security risks. 3. Encryption and data protection. ESB API Manager supports encryption mechanisms to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of data transmitted over APIs. It enables the use of secure communication protocols such as HTTPS/TLS to encrypt data in transit. Additionally, you can configure policies to encrypt sensitive data at rest or implement tokenization techniques to protect sensitive information. 4. API Gateway and Firewall. ESB API Manager often includes an API Gateway component that acts as a security perimeter for APIs. It serves as a single entry point for API traffic, providing an additional layer of protection. The gateway can inspect and filter incoming requests, enforce security policies, and block malicious traffic. It helps protect back-end systems and APIs from direct exposure to potential threats. 5. Threat monitoring and logging. ESB API Manager offers monitoring and logging capabilities to detect and respond to security threats effectively. It records API transactions, error logs, and security events, allowing for real-time monitoring and analysis. By analyzing logs and security alerts, you can identify potential security breaches, unusual behavior, or suspicious activities, enabling prompt action to mitigate risks. 6. API Key Management. ESB API Manager facilitates API key management to control access to APIs and track usage. It allows you to generate and manage API keys for different consumers or applications. You can set expiration dates, revoke or regenerate keys, and monitor their usage. This helps in identifying and managing authorized consumers and ensures accountability for API access. 7. Compliance and regulatory support. ESB API Manager helps organizations meet compliance requirements and adhere to industry regulations. It allows you to enforce security policies, consent management, and data privacy controls to comply with regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, or PCI DSS. Additionally, it supports audit trails and logging capabilities to assist in compliance reporting and demonstrate adherence to security standards. 8. Secure Partner Integration. ESB API Manager enables secure integration with external partners or third-party systems. It provides features like federated identity management, partner onboarding, and access control to facilitate secure collaboration and data exchange. You can define partner-specific security policies, establish secure connections, and monitor partner API usage to ensure compliance and protect sensitive information. By leveraging the security and control features of ESB API Manager, organizations can enhance the protection of their APIs, prevent unauthorized access, and mitigate potential security risks. It enables secure API communication, ensures compliance with regulations, and provides the necessary tools for monitoring and responding to security threats effectively.